Circle Fund is it's purpose in motion.
A unique opportunity to be part of something bigger, to have an impact with other members in the community.
We really are creating this circle.
It is a great opportunity for us as the Christi Reece Group to give back to the community who supports us in our careers, for us to be able to give back.
The Circle Fund to me is a great way to be involved with our community.
By our clients choosing to work with the Christi Reece Group, they get to be a part of the decision making as to what organization we give back to.
So we're donating money on behalf of all of our clients, that do a transaction with us, and we just think it's a great business model.